Alright, so this is gonna be a get ready with me because it is December 22nd and it's 12:30, first day of break, and I still haven't gotten ready. So let's start. My Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser and my Radiance brush thing. Oh my gosh, my hair. Oh my gosh. I hate when my hair looks messy. So I'm just gonna put it in this bun. This feels so weird with my right hand. Now, with the stuff still on my face, I didn't rinse it off, I'm going to take the exfoliating one and this True Blue Spot Apricot and White Tea face scrub from Bath & Body Works. I'm going to put, ew, you do not want to look at this bottle. I'm going to put that on this little brush thing. Put that on and do it. Oh my gosh, my hair. Looking much fresher. Okay, so now we're taking this Clean and Clear acne spot treatment that doesn't work for my spots, but I still put it on, hoping that it will. I think it's because I used it way too much on too many spots and it's probably more intense. So the effect isn't there anymore. Next, I'm gonna let that dry for a little. Then I'm gonna put on my Mairead facial spray, the rose water. I really love this stuff so much. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my pore cleansing mask, and I put this when I have like a big spot coming in, you know, like when you feel that like awful feeling. I have that right here, I'm not sure if you can see. It's like a big red area and it hasn't like formed into like a bump yet, so we're gonna put some of this on. And it's only when you have like a really intense area that needs it. First I rub it in until you can't see white, and then I tap it on so you can just see white. I'm gonna let that dry for a little while. Okay, we're finally here. This took me literally like an hour, no, that's too much, like 30 minutes to set up this dumb camera because my tripod was too tall to go here. So I couldn't put on my debt. It was just a whole ordeal. But I'm gonna take my Glossier, oh, that's the French side, Priming Moisturizer, Rich, and just put that all over my face. I'll probably get my mirror. My face is so dry, and if I don't put moisturizer like right after, my face is like, it feels so uncomfortable and awful. So I'm so happy to finally putting moisturizer on after setting up this camera for 500 million years. And this stuff won't come off, so that's really fun. Okay, next, my hair, it looks gross, so tuck that in. Next, we're going to put on some lip balm. Okay, I'm gonna just turn this off. Alright, so I got my chapstick. It's the chapstick brand Day and Night one. Oh, I just put on the night one. Great. Then I have my NARS Sheer Glow foundation with my damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna dot that all over my face because For me, concealer makes me look really cakey. I know it's opposite for people. Foundation that makes a lot of people look cakey, but since this is like in the name, Sheer Glow, it's very sheer, and concealer just doesn't, I need to find like a good concealer that sits on my face nicely, because none that I've found do. Like the Tarte one, everyone loves. For me, like does not sit on my face well at all. Maybe I'm like using it wrong and there's like a different method, but like, I don't know. Okay, done with not concealer, foundation. Now we're gonna move on to powder, but I just realized my powder brush is in a hole that's covered by all the stacks of like candles and stuff to hold up my camera. So I guess, I mean, I don't like using a beauty blender for powder since my face is dry. It looks cakey, and because it like pats it on. I like the brush where it's just like lightly covered, but this is what we're gonna have to do, I guess. I'm just gonna like just do it like all over the place, because for some reason like my skin's weird. I mean, unless this is normal, I'm not really sure, but during school, like I put this on, and then it if I put too much powder on, like bake it, like it gets too dry and flakes. But if I put like a little bit on, or like not enough, it gets really oily, and like my skin looks all greasy and stuff. So, and my skin's always dry though, that's the thing. So I think it just gets, my face gets sweaty. I don't even know, but all my makeup decides to melt off. So I don't really know a good in-between or like what's happening to that, but oh well. We're just gonna keep going. So then I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. I want a good eyelash growing serum. If anybody knows of any good eyelash growing serums, please comment them down below, because I really want one. And then I'm just taking this MAC False Lashes Extreme Black mascara. It's a sample. I only have sample mascaras, and they're all drying out, so I need like a good one. Not like a good one, but just like, no, yeah, a good one. I think I'm just gonna go to CVS and get one of the Maybelline ones. But this one is very smudgy, like, or what's the word? Transferable, I don't know. Like I'll put it on here and then it magically appears like right here when I'm just putting it on my eyelashes. Oh, it's so, I don't even know the word. Why am I blanking on this word? So I don't really recommend this one. It does, like, I like it on my eyelashes, but it's very transferable. Okay, now we're gonna do some eyebrows. So I have my, precisely my brow pencil, and I'm just gonna turn off the light for this. I'm the worst at eyebrows. All I do is literally just stroke through like this, and sometimes it gets like that and really dark, and I just rub it with my finger. Like I'm literally so messy at it. I just like do this, and then oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I literally have like, it's so bad, and then I just brush through it as much as possible to get all the harsh lines in, and it just leaves like a nice little tint. It's definitely not how you do your eyebrows, but oh well. Okay, good enough. And now the 24-hour brow setter. I don't really like this stuff that much because it flakes after a little while. I heard the Milk Makeup one was good. I'm not sure what it's called, but I heard it was good. And this has like nothing left. It's literally so dried out, so. And like it gets like chunky a little bit, like thick, not chunky, thick. So I have to get new eyebrow gel. But this will have to do for now. Okay, so now moving on to blush. I have this Cargo one. I have like a few different blushes and I just alternate a lot. This one has like some sparkles in it, like very light sparkles. I'm just taking this cheap brush from Wish or something. I don't even know. I need to get, my makeup is like so bad. All these brushes are terrible except for this ColourPop one, and then I have a Kiko one. And then I don't know, my brushes are all over the place. I have a few Ipsy ones, but like the rest are just like cheap ones. And my normal blush brush is also in that little hole crevice spot that is covered by candles. And it's not even a blush brush. I don't even know what brush it is. It might be contour. Maybe it's blush, but like, I don't know. I'm just using this fat one today. Put a little on my nose because I saw my cousin do that and it looked good on her, so. Alright, so next we're gonna put on some, what is this called? Highlighter. Just brush it on my nose. More here, here. This highlighter is the Measurable Difference Glow Face and Body Highlighter. I tried looking up this before, and a pink one came up, and then I finally found this one, but it doesn't have like a color. I think it's just gold. I don't even know, but this is like a goldy one, not pink. If you can find it, I don't know. I never do up here, but like, why not? That looks terrible. Okay, so that's my natural makeup look that I wear like every day to school and every day of my life. Now let's move on to hair. Okay, I forgot setting spray, so this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I don't like the smell. It smells like butt wipes. And it kind of feels like uncomfortable on my skin, but this is like the best spritz wise. I want to get the MAC Fix Plus because I heard it's really good too. So a lot of things that I need to improve in the beauty world. But oh my gosh, my hair is so I think I'm gonna curl my hair. And first I gotta brush it through. Oh my gosh, why is it like weird? I think I might straighten it first. My hair's naturally straight, but it is kind of poofy, so I might just quickly like, it takes me like 2 seconds to straighten my hair. Look like Matilda. Actually, the setting spray doesn't feel too bad on my skin right now. I think it's just the smell that bothers me. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate it. I got a little girl on it. My gosh, it's so embarrassing. Should probably put heat protectant, but like, you know, like my hair kind of look greasy and that's not okay. So yeah, you can see the difference. All right, let's finish this up. Make sure it's not recording. Ah, grand. Am I even in frame? Let's see. I am. Oh, I also said in the beginning how I looked like Matilda. Still do. Now I'm going to curl it. Oh yeah, I said I want to straighten it first because it was poofy, and if I curled it, it would look poofy, I feel like. Maybe not, but curling iron. Okay, I think I'm just gonna fast forward to when I'm done curling my hair. Okay, as you can see, my hair is curled and it looks like a lion. See, I don't like my hair straight, so like, people always not people, but just like, if you're wondering, this is like normal hair for me. It's not like I'm curling it for a special occasion. It's just that I don't like it straight and short. I like it better longer because okay, so here's the story. I'm just gonna say a quick little story while my hair's a mess. When I got my hair cut, I wanted it here. The lady cut it here. And not only did she cut it really short, like a little above my shoulders, like no, right at my shoulders, she cut it crooked. So I'll insert a picture now of what it looked like when I first got it cut. It was slanted, And it's still one side, this side is longer than this side, if you can see. Even when it's curled, you can still see this side is longer than this side. And I don't want to get it evened out because then they might make a mistake and cut it really short. I want my hair obviously like this length, like I said. So hopefully it grows fast, and I want to do some like cool like remedies, like look up some remedies that I used to do when I was younger to get my hair to grow, and try getting it to grow. It won't work, but we can try. I hate it straight. It looks like, I don't even know. Like, but I like curling it, then putting like half up, half down. I think it looks cute like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's my hair done. All right, so as you can see, I'm still in my PJs, and sorry, you can't really see because of my little decorations. Obviously, I'm gonna have to change. So I ordered some sweaters from Forever 21, and it said it was gonna come today, but last time I checked, the package didn't come, so I'm gonna check real quick. If the sweaters didn't come, I'm gonna find something else, but if they did, I'll wear that. And hopefully by the time I go to my friend's house, they have came so I can change into the sweater. But if not, then oh well. Okay, so this is what I decided for my final outfit. You can't really see too well, but it's a sweater from Charlotte Russe. It has ties, and then Lululemon leggings, and just some Christmassy chill socks. I don't know, I didn't really need to mention my socks. But yeah, very simple. Yeah. Peace.
Every day, I know we both made some mistakes, and I can still taste your lips and your hands on my hips, tracing my skin with your fingertips. Left the letter in your drawer, sign the page, sincerely yours. Left the letter in your drawer, sign the page, sincerely yours.